Hey, I'm Lily. Welcome back. Today's tip is all about keyboard hacks that help you type faster and way smoother. Typing on your phone feels normal until you realize how much time it actually takes. Wow emoji. First keyboard hack, turn on swipe typing. Instead of tapping each letter, just slide your finger. It's faster, smoother, and surprisingly accurate. Small pause. Second keyboard hack, use text shortcuts. Create short codes for long phrases you type all the time. A few letters can turn into full sentences. Tiny pause. Third keyboard hack, enable auto-punctuation and smart suggestions. Your keyboard fixes mistakes before you even notice. Mind-blown emoji. Less editing, more speed. Extra smart hack, long press keys for symbols and numbers. No switching screens, no slowing down. Once you learn this, typing feels effortless. Lifestyle connection. Faster typing means less frustration. You reply quicker, write cleaner messages, and stay in flow. Wrap up, your keyboard isn't basic. It's powerful if you know how to use it. Sparkle emoji. If this helped you, don't forget to like. And check out the next tip, it's a good one.